Okay, well, it's Tuesday, and hope you guys are having a good week so far. This will be really quick because a lot of this is just a continuation from yesterday. We're still in the invisible thread, and what I want you to do is reread it today. You can either do it online or you can do it in your textbook, but main thing is, let me move myself out of the way here for a second. Um, you're gonna want to be in the making meaning part where we do close read the text. Um, Look at the example. It'll give you an example of what it means to close read a text, if it ever comes up. Technical difficulties, it didn't come up, but you can still read this on your own, and then basically answer the questions down here, um, especially this one right here. Close read paragraphs 3 and 4. In paragraphs 3 and 4, mark the punctuation. Why do you think the author uses this type of punctuation? Transcribing Maurice's words. And would this passage have the same effect if it had just summarized what Maurice said? Explain. So that's basically what I want you to do for close reading of the text, just that question right there. Okay. Analyze the text. These also have questions to go along with them. You can either do them in here or you can make a document and send it to me. Then there's analyze, craft, and structure. You're going to read the instructions, and I believe there are some writing practices here that you can put in the document and send to me. That's what I want you to do today. And math is pretty, whoops, math, where's math? Math, okay, we're still on the get ready. So as far as you made it down yesterday, just make it all the way down today. And I'll be happy with that. This is a 2-day thing, but hopefully this will help get our heads back in the game as far as understanding as far as understanding inequalities, expressions, and what's the other one? Expressions, inequalities, and equations. Yeah, that's the one. Um, so yeah, hopefully we'll do some more of these getting ready ones before we do the regular ones, and maybe that'll fill in some gaps for us. I'm hoping that will be the case. And let's see, moving on to science, plate tectonics. So you're going to start, I believe it's page 63. Read about plate tectonics, read all about it. And when you get to the putting it together part, make a document, answer those questions, and submit those in an American nation. Going to be on page 60. Europeans reach the Americas. I'm sorry. Uh, and you're going to go all the way to page 69, answer the review questions, and I think that should be enough for today, don't you? I hope you have a great day. Remember, we do have our Zoom meeting today at 3:30. I will be posting the link as I always do with this, and hope to see you all there. All right, bye.